Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is for seafood lovers. Yes friends, it's an authentic Malabari crab curry. Before we start, I request you to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Please watch the video completely so that you don't miss anything. So let's see the ingredients and start the recipe. I have taken 1 kg of washed crabs and then cut them into pieces. Friends, do not wash the crabs after cutting them to retain the nutrients. I am using clay pot as it enhances the taste of curry. If you don't have clay pot, you can use aluminium or iron pan. Do not use non-stick pan to avoid scratches on it. Pour 4 tablespoons of coconut oil into the clay pot. If you don't like the taste of coconut oil, you can use any other oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely sliced onion and cook well by adding little salt. Once the onion turns golden brown, add crushed ginger garlic, 2 green chilies and some curry leaves into it and mix it well. Then add 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder and mix it well. Once the raw smell of all spices goes away, add chopped tomatoes and stir it. Then cover the lid and cook it until the tomatoes are mashed. Now it's time to add crabs. Mix everything slowly. Cover the lid and cook for 15 minutes in low flame. Stir the curry occasionally. Meanwhile, we'll prepare a coconut paste for the curry. For that, we need fresh coconut, fennel seeds and some chopped onions or small onions. Now grind them all into a fine paste by adding some water. It's been 15 minutes. Now we'll add the grounded coconut paste into the curry and some water. Then stir slowly and let it cook for 5 more minutes. At this time, you can add some salt as per requirement. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame and add 2 green chilies and few curry leaves. Finally, we'll take a small pan to fry some chopped small onions and a few curry leaves in coconut oil for tempering. So our yummy and spicy crab curry is ready. Friends, please try and let me know your reviews in the comment box. Bye. Thank you.